Hi guys, Misty here. I'm back in my kitchen and today I've already done 2 experiments with my pumpkin and I'm going to show you guys how to do your very own pumpkin volcano at home. First, I took the stem off. I cut it carefully. Ask one of your adults at home to help you do this. So then I took off the top part, or his head, and then I scooped out all the inside. So I've already done my experiment 2 times today. So I have a little bit of left in there. There's 2 seeds. If you want to zoom on in, there's 2 seeds in there. So some of my ingredients have gotten in there and they're staying in there, but that's okay. So for this experiment today, you just need simple ingredients. The ingredients are food coloring, baking soda, dish soap, and vinegar. And that's it. Can you believe it? Wait till you see how cool this is. Now, online it says you should probably do this outside because it gets a little messy, but I'm kind of a rebel. I've already done it twice in my basement and I didn't make a mess. Don't tell my husband. All right, so we're gonna take the hat off. I call it his hat. First, we're gonna add the baking soda. Now, it says a couple of teaspoons, and I think a couple is 2, but I added 3 tablespoons, the bigger one. I added 3 tablespoons for my afternoon group, and they loved it. It was really fizzy. So I'm gonna add 3 big scoops. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, in case you guys are watching at home, I did add 3.5, didn't I? We'll do it the same. 3.5, just filled it halfway. So we're done with the baking soda. That's our first ingredient. Next goes in the dish soap. Check it out. Ready? I'm just gonna do a generous squirt. I'm gonna count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what makes it foam up really cool. All right, you don't have to mix it, because what's gonna happen is it's gonna react together. The baking soda and the vinegar react and form this big, cool volcano-like eruption. Now, first it says we need green. So green is all on its own. I don't have to make green for myself because it's the green color here. And I'm just gonna squirt in kind of a good couple of drops there. Whoa, cool. Check that out. Nice. Awesome. So green is all done. And then on the website, it said to make purple, but if you look here, I don't have purple food coloring, so I have to make purple food coloring. And if I follow the directions here, it says red plus blue equals purple. So if I take my red and blue food coloring, I should be able to make purple if I get it in the right spot. We'll see. First, I'll drop my red in. And then my blue. And it does kind of look purple. Whoa, that's really cool. Check that out. It really kind of does look purple. Awesome. And the third color it wants me to make is orange. And again, I have to create it. So I'm going to use the red and the yellow, and that equals orange. So red plus yellow equals orange. So here's my red, here's my yellow. Hopefully we'll make some orange. Squeezing in the red. Whoa, that's pretty cool. That looks like a rainbow right now. And whoop, very cool. Check it out, guys. It really does look like a rainbow. Look at all those colors mixing in. All right, now is the exciting part. I'm really excited. On the website that I'll try to link onto my video, if I can figure that out, it said 1/3 cup of vinegar. Guess what? I think I added a full cup last time, but now, just for dramatic effect, because I have my counter all covered, I'm gonna just keep adding and see what happens. Are you guys ready for this? I probably should be wearing goggles. Get ready, let's check it out. Let's watch the reaction happen. All right, come on in, cameraman. Check it out! Oh, my volcano! My pumpkin turned into a volcano. That was silly, my cameraman was shaking the camera. It's not a real volcano. That's so cool, guys. Wow, I see a little bit of orange here, but I think most of it kind of turned green. That's weird. My last one was more blue than green. How cool is this? And the best part about it is you can clean this up, rinse out your pumpkin, and use it again. All right, guys, that's all for today. Have a good one.